I know I've said it here before. When summertime rolls around, all I can think about is shellfish. Cops are coming. Sun's out, shell's out. And while there's nothing better than a lobster in Maine, that's only true in Maine. Next to that, I'll eat mussels all day long. You can keep your overpriced shrimp and clams. These babies are plump and briny and sweet. And you can cook them a million ways. And for some reason, they're still dirt cheap. Stuff your face for 10 bucks. Who cares if they're ugly? So a really simple classic mussel preparation is garlic, butter, and some kind of liquid, usually white wine. You can also use beer. So get your nice fresh mussels. They should be closed tightly. And if any of them are open, just give them a little tap and they should close up. When your butter is nice and melted, and don't be stingy on the butter. We're talking half a cup, maybe. A couple cloves of garlic. You don't want them to be really turning brown, just cooking down a little bit. And then throw in your mussels. Mix them around a little bit. Now as those cook and open up, they're going to release liquor, a little bit of water, which is great, nice briny stuff. But you need really some kind of liquid in there to help steam them. White wine is classic. You know me, I kind of like my beer. Use a light beer. Dark beer works good too. The only thing I wouldn't use is a really hoppy beer because those are bitter. Mussels are sweet. You want to complement that. So this is a lager, Brooklyn lager. Lager tends to be sweeter, maltier, so it works great with mussels. A Belgian beer would be a classic mussel accompaniment. So I don't know, maybe a cup of that. Crank the heat up, get that boiling. Put the lid on, let them steam for I don't know, about 5 minutes. You're gonna know they're ready when they open up. Any that don't open, throw them away. There's some debate about that, but just to be on the safe side, chuck them because they were probably dead when you put them in the pan. So you peel it open, dip it into the broth. Yeah, that's delicious, man. Another thing I strongly recommend, some good crusty baguette to dip in the juice because that stuff is amazing. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me for a plate of mussels. I never need an excuse to eat mussels. Like, subscribe, share. Please continue to join me on this journey. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.